Greetings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karess Nicole. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different what you normally see from me. I want to just do other things. So in today's video, I am doing an unboxing. I got some hair. It's a very nice sturdy box. So if you want to see me unbox this, please stay tuned. Let you know that this is from Queen Sassy. This is how you would get your hair from Queen Sassy. It's a nice box. The box is very sturdy. So the box is very sturdy, so it won't break in transit. It won't break in transit. I mean, unless they no, you can't really bend it. I'm like trying to, but you can't really bend it. This is how their box looks. This is the logo. Oh yeah, if you're wondering what I have on my lips, this is from the Glamorous Beats, and this is the color Latte. So we're gonna open it right up. So right there they have their Instagram and also their website, which is a nice touch to the box. Is a business card. And you also get a thank you card, which shows you how to tag them to be featured on the website, and also their Instagram, and also they give you a code for your next purchases. And then this is the back of the thank you card, which is dope. So the theme here is marble, rose gold, and black, and I see silver. Got a little gift. It is a hairpin, and this hairpin says Queen. Who doesn't really want to gift? This is really cute. This is adorable, and it does say Queen, which is the theme and everything, because this is Queen Sassy. Yeah, this is so cute. So how cute is this pen? How cute is this gift? Like this. So opening up the bag. It's 1, 2, 3. Right here is the raw, this is the raw Indian wavy, and your fingers go right through it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can't wait to wash this. So it's thick from root to tip. So this is how their bundles look. This is how the bundles look. Nice, it moves and everything. I'm gonna most likely make this into a wig. Very pretty, nice luster. Really, really nice. Really, 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 really nice. Fingers go right through it, and there is no shedding. Okay. And then I also have a 4x4 closure. Wait, this is also raw Indian wavy. Yeah, so I'm most likely going to make that into a wig. So I got 3 bundles. I think they're 14 inches or 16 inches, and a 4x4 matching frontal. This is raw Indian wavy. So I'm going to definitely make a wig, and then I'm definitely gonna come back on with it on. By the way, the hair that I am rocking is also from Queen Sassy. This is their mink body wave, and this with the matching 4x4 closure. Again, yes, this is a closure. It looks like a freaking frontal, like bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I really think that I got these 4x4 closures down pat. Like, it looks so freaking good. So this is the body wave. I ended up coloring it. I bleached the front of it here, and then I just bleached the bottom. And honestly, I did not get that much shedding from bleaching it or anything like that. The ends still look healthy. It still looks good. Yeah, so let me step back a little bit. Yeah, so the ends still look healthy. The ends still look good. And I really love this hair. It curls like a dream. My hands go right through it. The luster on this is very pretty. Just put a little bit of what is that called, a little bit of oil. Like, I only put a tad bit of oil because honestly with bleaching, you know, bleaching hair and everything, it gets a little bit dry. So I did put a little bit of oil in it. It wasn't dry, but I just wanted to, you know, make it a little bit more shinier. So I did put a little bit of oil out of it, and that was like yesterday. So, you know, the luster and everything is still in it, and it still looks really good. It does not look like brittle. It doesn't look dry. It doesn't look anything. Like, it looks so bomb. And I definitely colored this about 2 weeks ago. So, and it still looks good. So, yeah. Oops, my earring. I love the fact that the box is very detailed and everything like that. Like, you don't just get hair when you purchase it. You actually get a nice well put together box, and everything is well, even like is very detailed, and I really like that. I love receiving beautiful things, and this is by far beautiful. The details are here with packaging, and again, their packaging is really nice. This is what your hair will come in, and this is where your items will come in. So that's really dope. All right, everyone, so this basically wraps it up. I know it was like quick and easy. I just wanted to show you what I got, and I'm probably going to be making this a wig. I'm definitely gonna make this into a wig, and I'm definitely gonna come back on probably showing you the process of applying it and everything like that. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you press that notification bell so you can get videos from me on time and you don't miss a beat. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.